Welcome to the in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Then we can see here ringtone volume panel. Just if you want to change it, we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this dot. So also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down one button on the right side of our phone, then click here to the three dots and swipe to the up or to the down this left volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.